Good morning, Mike here with Atlas Rim Repair. Going to be working on a Toyota Corolla this morning. We got some curb rash down here, some chipping in the factory finish right there, some deeper curb rash right here, and a little more right up here. So I'm going to grind this damage out first, and we'll go over it with the sander. I'm going to get working on this right away. While I'm grinding and sanding, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, maybe checking out the links in the description below to the tools and products I use, we'll get this wheel done. Alright, did all that with the red conditioning disc. Now I'm going to switch over to the sander with a 320 grit disc on it and get this cleaned up and ready for paint. Let's go ahead and scuff that up with the 1500 grit scuff pad. And we'll go ahead and clean this wheel off and paint it up. Going with the Sonic Silver paint here. This paint and all my other paints are linked in the description below. And we'll just go ahead and cover all that with clear coat. And on to the next wheel.